So this is the Huawei Mate XS, and on the surface it looks very much like last year's Mate X, however the changes are a little deeper and we've gone hands-on to find out just what. Thanks for watching 9to5 Google on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. The Mate XS is essentially just a spec bump over the Mate X that was announced at MWC last year but never went on sale outside of China. There are more internal improvements, including a chipset bump to the Kirin 990 5G, 8GB of RAM, an improved hinge and some display tweaks that should help durability and cooling. First and foremost though, the Mate X is set to go on sale outside of China, with the caveat of Huawei App Gallery playing a prime role in this global rollout. Since our first hands-on session, I'm still interested in the form factor, as unlike the Galaxy Fold, you still get a workable, almost bezel-free smartphone that can become a tiny 8-inch tablet at a moment's notice. It's this that really catches the eye, and although there will no doubt be long-term durability question marks with that rear display exposed constantly, to me this is still the most practical implementation of the larger form factor, because you're not forced to unfold and get a proper usable smartphone area every time. As for the software experience, the new dual screen app management is excellent when in use, although the tap and hold activation gesture needs a little bit of time to get adjusted to. Being able to run up to 3 apps at the same time, with the third being in a free floating window, really opens up multitasking options, although with only 100 or so fully optimised, it's not always the perfect experience. As with any Huawei device, apps are of course still a major talking point here, as there is still no resolution looking likely for the US trade bans. This does mean that the Google Play services are unlikely to ever come to the Mate XS. Huawei is therefore pressing ahead with the Huawei App Gallery, which has come on leaps and bounds in recent months. It still needs a few more larger developers to jump aboard, but Huawei is intent on investing in the Play Store alternative and adamant that the top 100 most used apps, except those relating to Google, will make it to Western Huawei devices in the coming months. If anyone can do it though, you'd imagine it would be the world's second biggest smartphone maker. Despite the access and app issues, the experience is exceptional. The Kirin 990 5G chipset is one heck of a powerful base for any smartphone, and it helps the Mate XS really power through just about anything you could or would want to throw at it. The camera itself feels like a hybrid of the P30 Pro and Mate 30 Pro, and because this doubles as a selfie camera, this should prove to be exceptional and among the very best in the industry with just 3 sensors. A 40MP main sensor, 8MP 3x telephoto zoom lens, and 16MP ultra wide angle. Huawei has all of the bases covered in the camera stakes. On top of that, there is also a 4500mAh split battery packed inside. Given Huawei's battery prowess and custom chipset, it should withstand even the heaviest of days of usage. Granted, there are still more challenges to come, the Huawei Mate XS is a fantastic achievement and we'll no doubt spend more time with the folding smartphone in an in-depth review in the coming weeks. If you have any questions about the Mate XS, then be sure to pop them down below and we'll try to answer as many as possible. But as usual, this is Damien with 9to5 Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.